whenever a woman is pouring water, it makes knacking very sweet. It makes knacking very enjoyable. There are ways you can position a woman for her to pour water. If you are a man that you discover that your woman don't pour water, and whenever you are knacking her, the place is always very dry, today's video is for you. There are ways you can make her pour water. When a woman is pouring water during kerewa, it makes your penetration very easy, and it even make it more sweeter. There is another thing I'm going to tell you that will help your woman pour water whenever you are knacking her. Trust me, you see these two techniques, they are tested and trusted. It's always very painful when you are knacking and the place is not pouring constant water. If there is no lubrication, for sure your big man will not be able to enter into the holy city. For your big man to go into the holy city is going to be very, very difficult, and you will not even enjoy what you are doing. For that not to happen, pay attention to this video. Before we dive right into it, hi amazing people, you are welcome to my channel. We talk about relationship, love, and things of the other room, and how you can understand your partner. That is what we teach on this channel. If you are new, hit the subscription bell to join the family. If you are my returning subscriber, God bless you. After watching this particular video, go ahead to watch at least 2 or 3 more videos. I'm not going to take much of your time, so quickly let us dive right into it. Number one way you can make a woman pour water while knacking in order for you to enjoy her is you position her in a dog style way to lift up our holy city. When you lift up our holy city, the whole V is going to be facing you. You will see one round thing, okay? You will see one round thing immediately. You raised the woman, you know, the woman backyard up. You raised it up. You will see the whole quickness facing you. You will see one round thing. Then you will use your hand to be touching that round stuff that you are seeing. Use your hand to be touching it. Don't just be going around. Just be touching it. When you are touching it in just one direction or for some minutes, you will notice that the woman will be pouring water. When you are doing that, you don't need to finger. You don't need to play with your finger. Just keep on, you know, the way I'm doing my hand. Just keep on, you know, touching it. Just be touching that particular spot for some minutes, at least for like 5 minutes, and trust me, she's going to pour instant water. The holy city is going to pour instant water, and that way when you want to go inside the holy city, it's going to be very, very easy for you. In that way, there is nothing that is going to obstruct you. There is not going to be difficult for you going in. When the place is not pouring water and you are pushing or you are forcing to go in, for sure you're going to injure the woman. For that not to happen, make sure you touch that round thing, you know, in a circular way, just one direction. You don't need to be doing no, okay? Just be doing it like that for like 5 minutes. Before you know it, she's going to pour enough water that can carry you guys throughout what you want to do. Another way is, you know, if you are knacking a woman, or if you notice that your woman is that kind of a woman that does not pour water, her holy city is always very dry. What you do is that go to market, get 5 fingers of okra, okay? I have talked about okra before. When you take 5 fingers of okra, bring it back home, wash it, chop it. When you chop it, take a glass of water, use it to soak it for 24 hours. When you soak that okra for 24 hours, strain the chaff, throw the chaff away, and drink the water as a woman. Trust me, this woman will continue to pour water. Do you know why okra is a very powerful remedy for people that don't pour water? Because okra contains mucilaginous property. That mucilaginous property helps the place to produce constant water. So as a woman or as a man that notice that your woman don't pump constant water, you see okra water, at least tell your woman to drink it 2 to 3 times in a week. 2 to 3 times in a week. In that way, there is no time that you want to do kerewa with her that she will not pour constant water. And as a man, you know the importance of a woman pouring water, that when a woman is pouring constant water, it makes snacking to be very sweet, very enjoyable, and more pleasurable, and have a lovely and amazing memory. So to prevent dryness, my darling, okra water all the way, or you position her in a dog style way and begin to use your hand to be touching that round stuff that is called clickly area in her, because in that way she is going to pour water faster and she will reach cloud 9 faster. Do you understand me? This actually brings us to the end of this video. If you do get value, like the video, drop a beautiful comment, share so the algorithm can push it to more people. If you are my returning subscriber, God bless you. I remain your humble coach, Rhoda-b TV. Till I come your way next time. After watching this particular video, go ahead and watch at least 2 to 3 more videos on this channel. Trust me, you're gonna get more value. Till I come your way next time. Bye for now.